In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Workspace members in Trello. Whether you're new to Trello or a seasoned user looking to refine your Workspace management skills, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, let's head over to trello.com. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the login option, which you can typically find at the top right corner of the page. Depending on your preference, you can log in using your email or your Google account. Just follow the prompts since these options make accessing Trello quick and convenient. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. From here, navigate to the boards section by clicking on it. This will take you to a page where all your boards are displayed. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a section labeled Your Workspaces. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the workspace area, identify the specific board you're interested in. Click on the board to open it up. This will bring you to the board's main page where all your lists and cards are visible. Next, locate the Members button. Clicking on this button will open up the member management area for the board. From here, if you want to invite new members to your workspace, look for the Invite Workspace Members option and click on it. You'll then see an option to create an invitation link. Click on Create Link to generate the link and then Copy Link to copy it to your clipboard. You can share this link with anyone you want to invite to your workspace. Alternatively, if you prefer to invite members by email, simply enter the email address of your intended invitee. After entering the email, you'll find the Send Invite button. Clicking this will send an invitation directly to their inbox, making it easy for them to join the workspace. Once you've added members, you might want to manage their roles. You can do this by clicking on the drop down next to a workspace member's name, which allows you to change their role to an admin if you wish. This can be particularly useful if you need someone to help manage the workspace. Lastly, if at any point you need to remove a member, you can do so by clicking on Remove. This will immediately take away their access to the workspace. And there you have it. You now know how to manage workspace members in Trello. Following these steps will ensure you're able to effectively organize and control access within your workspace, helping your team collaborate even better. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more Trello tips and tutorials.